Welcome back to Rider Zone. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2026 Kenworth T2000, the ultimate long-haul beast that's turning heads in the trucking and luxury motorhome world. In this video, we're breaking down performance, design, technology, comfort, safety, and real-world usability so you can get the full picture. Let's roll. Picture a truck that blends rugged commercial strength with top-tier comfort and smart tech. That's the 2026 Kenworth T2000. While the Kenworth T2000 has a long history as a high-performance commercial tractor, the 2026 version takes it even further with modern upgrades and futuristic features that go beyond the old classic design. Who knows plus one? Right out of the gate, this 2026 T2000 isn't just a truck, it's a mobile powerhouse. Instead of being a simple Class 8 tractor like traditional T2000s, this latest model concept blends the robust hauling capability you expect from Kenworth with hybrid diesel-electric power that enhances efficiency and quietness on the road. The hybrid setup pairs a high-efficiency diesel engine with electric motors to deliver smooth performance, impressive range, and better fuel economy, reportedly up to 850 miles depending on conditions. Darul Uloom Jalalabad. On the exterior, you still get that aerodynamic, bold Kenworth front end that's designed to slice through the air efficiently, a hallmark of T2000 design since day one. There are LED headlights, improved airflow systems, panoramic windows, and practical add-ons like retractable awnings that make long trips not just possible, but comfortable and stylish whether on highways or off the grid. Nagushri English School. Step inside and you'll see why many are calling this 2026 version more of a luxury motorhome on wheels than a truck. The cabin and living space feel like a high-end apartment, with features such as a well-equipped kitchen area including induction stove, refrigerator, oven, and coffee machine. A lounge space with a foldable 70-inch OLED display. Bedrooms with adjustable climate control and memory foam beds. Clever integrated storage and LED mood lighting for comfort and ambience. A 3-deck layout with dedicated living, dining, and sleeping areas. These interior comforts make it ideal for long cross-country trips, work plus travel lifestyles, or even full-time RV living. Darul Uloom Jalalabad. Tech and control get a major boost too. The 2026 T2000 reportedly includes an AI-driven control system that dynamically adjusts temperature, lighting, and suspension based on terrain and weather. The fully digital dashboard responds to voice commands, and features like semi-autonomous auto navi mode help with highway driving and route handling. Darul Uloom Jalalabad. Safety isn't an afterthought either. This model comes with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, 360 degrees camera suites, blind spot monitoring and lane assistance, emergency braking systems, all geared toward making huge rig driving safer and less tiring. Balloony. Performance is equally impressive with a hybrid powertrain giving you not just raw strength for heavy loads, but energy recovery features, roof solar panels to power internal systems, and optimized fuel management for extended touring. That means less time at fuel stops and more miles under your belt. Darul Uloom Jalalabad. In terms of practicality, the T2000 truly excels. You get massive exterior storage, climate-protected cargo areas, and integrated off-grid capability thanks to solar power and optional high-capacity battery systems. Plus, residential-grade appliances and utility hookups make extended trips a breeze. Balloony. To sum it up, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 brings together commercial-grade durability, cutting-edge power systems, luxurious interior living, and advanced driver tech into one incredible package. Whether you're hauling freight, traveling cross-country, or living life on the road, This next-gen T2000 aims to be your all-in-one road companion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Rider Zone for more deep dives like this one, and drop a comment below telling us what feature of the T2000 impressed you most.